Margadi month 18th day Thirupavai Pasuram 18. உந்து மதகளிற்றன் ஓடாத தோள் வலியன் நந்த கோபாலன் மருமகளே நப்பின்னாய் கந்தம் கமழும் குழலி கடைத்திறவாய் வந்து எங்கும் கோழி அழைத்தனகான் மாதவி பந்தல் மேல் பல்கால் குயிலனங்கள் கூவினகான் பந்தார் விரலி உன் மைத்துனன் பேர்பாட செந்தாமரை கையால் சீரார் வளையொலிப்ப வந்து திறவாய் மகிழ்ந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய். In this pasuram, Andal goes to Nappinai. Nappinai is the wife of Sri Krishna. She wakes up Nappinai. Initially, she went to wake up Nandagopal, Yashoda, Balaramar. Now, she realized that Nappinai is the more immediate person to Krishna. So, it is better to approach her. So, she goes to Nappinai and she is addressing Nappinai as the daughter-in-law of Nandagopa, and she is adding adjectives to Nandagopa. She is talking very high about, that is, she is bringing about the qualities of Nandagopa, like Nandagopa has got valiant shoulders with invincible strength. He could face anyone in the battle and get victory. So you are a daughter-in-law of such a great king Nandagopala. So she is asking her to open the doors. She is saying, O Nappinai, with enchanting fragrant hair you have got, and you kindly unlock your door. And she's asking to come out. But Nappinai says, it is only midnight. Andal says, the cocks have awakened now everywhere and are making loud noises. And group of cuckoos sitting on the bower of Madhavi flowers, that is Kurkatti flowers, and they have cooked gently many times. Nappinai, O young lady, you are holding the sporting ball with your fingers as Bhogopakaranam, that is, we have come here to have the darshan of Krishna, and you are a mediator between the Jivatma and Paramatma. Because Nappinai was holding a ball, she was playing with Krishna and Krishna lost in the game. So she was holding the ball in one hand, the other hand she was hugging Sri Krishna. So Andal and other friends, they peeped through the window and saw this. So she is telling Nappinai, you are the mediator between the Prapancha and the Paramatma. You please, we like to have your grace. So you come out. We all have come here to sing in praise of Lord Krishna. So she says, Chandamare Kayal, you have got your hands like red lotus, and these hands are very soft, and the bangles you wear create a pleasant sound. So you please come by making the sound, and we like to have your darshan. Because why Andal is referring her, or why giving so much of importance in Nappinai? In Vishnu temples, we first have darshan of Tayar. Only then, that is the goddess. Only then we go to Perumal Sannadhi. Because Tayar receives the bhaktas with more of forgiving nature and with more of motherly feeling. So she recommends the bhaktas to the Perumal to give grace to give blessings to the bhaktas. So Today's temple is Kalyana Venkateshwara Swami temple at Narayanavanam. This Narayanavanam is in Andhra Pradesh. It is 38 kilometers away from Tirupati. This temple is located in the valley area of Aruna. The temple has 7-storied Rajagopuram and it is 150 feet high. This was built by Krishna Devaraya. And there is second Gopuram, another Gopuram, which has got 3 tiers, that was built by Veera Narasimha Devaraya. It's a big temple. It managed by Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, and you have got many shrines within the temple. And there's separate Sannadhi for Padmavati Tayar, Ranganayaki Tayar is there, and Sri Andal shrine is there. Rama, Lakshmana, Sita and Hanuman are in a separate Sannadhi. This temple has got a Sthala Purana. There was a king called Akasha Raja. This Raja was born in Narayanavanam. He did not have child. So he prayed to God and he was advised to do yaga. And he was tilling the soil for yaga. At that time he found a baby. And he took the baby home and he grew up. The child grew up as Padmavati. When he found his child, the child was found in 1,000 petaled lotuses. And she grew up as Padmavati. Tondeman king was the brother of Akasha Raja king. They contributed a lot for Tirumala temple and other temples in Andhra Pradesh. Lord Srinivasa, he was coming to this place because he was going for hunting, and he happened to come to this place and he found Tayar Padmavati first time here. Immediately he fell in love with her and he wanted to marry her. So he informed his mother about this girl, and the mother arranged for the wedding, and both of them got married in this place, in this temple. So this temple is very special. And in this temple we can find the grinding stone used by Padmavati Tayar for her wedding, because in olden days they used to make all the powder, for example rice flour and other even turmeric flour, everything they used to do it by using that huge grinding stone. That huge, very large size grinding stone is still kept for the darshan of people, so that you can have it. It is there in the praharam. Padmavati Tayar looks so beautiful, and she is quite a big in size, and you can have a pradakshana around it, and this temple is very, very precious.